I'd like to turn over the floor now to Dr. Yen to wrap up.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Wu. And also thank you all the distinguished speakers. So everybody, I believe that everybody here that have a very fruitful evening tonight, today. And finally, that just a reminder that we will have our APAGE annual meeting on the this time it is the virtual annual congress. It's on the September 11th to 13th. So you can see the QR code at the right corner that everybody, if you're interested in that, you can just scan the QR code and to find the information. And also you can find it on our APAGE website. So finally, that everybody here in Asia just keep a safe and sound in the pandemic. And let's close today's webinar. So have a good night, everybody.
Thank you for joining this webinar. Thank you, moderator Havana, and also the your young family, and also the Professor Yen, Professor Wu, and the Professor Chen. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you.